Hi, today I'm taking you to the Chianti area, and this is the day number 2 of Tuscan Splendors walking tour. We are in the middle of a vineyard. This one here is a fava bean. You don't see the beans already because they're a little bit behind, but they put fava beans in between the roses as a fertilizer, which is interesting because in the next one there is no fava beans planted. So this means that next year we're going to plant the fava beans here, put the nitrogen back to the soil in this rows and not in this rows here, which is quite interesting, isn't it? It's great. Walking a Roman road, which is a pilgrimage route as well. It connects Florence to the Via Francigena. This is the symbol of the Via Romea, so it delivers to Rome. And on this day we go to a winery. We are in the Chianti area, of course, and the winery of Tregole is where we go. It's really nice wine, and Dario Castagno will give us an introduction of the area.
But this is a waymark for the Romea, which is the sign, which is the way the Pope blessed the pilgrims when they arrive in Rome. So the Pope does this move.
This is the village of Tregole. The road ends there. It has officially 12 inhabitants. Many we can actually hand pick them, so that's another plus for the quality. And they're going to start picking next week. So from tomorrow, probably you're going to start seeing the big olive. The olive oil is great the day that it's made. So already people will be picking tomorrow, and tomorrow evening they go to the mill.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's